Alright, what's going on? And today we're going to be talking about my progress and um, essentially how I'm going to be organizing this challenge. So as you can see, I've created a Google Sheet, and this is basically going to be showing and adding up how much I have earned throughout the 52-week challenge. So this is what week we're on. This is how much I've earned in this week, how much earned total. This is going to add up throughout the weeks. This is how much I've earned through YouTube. Zero yet, obviously. Affiliate marketing. I did make my first sale. I sold some Benzinga Pro membership. I sold that for $912 on a 30% commission, which gave me $273. Good start to the week. Ad wallet this week still. I made another 50 cents because I watched another 30-second ad. But yeah, so I've made 276 this week, and as you can see, I implemented some formulas so that this changes. It's not just set in stone number. Did that for every week. So that's how I'm going to be keeping track, and I calculated to make the 6 figures in 52 weeks. It's going to be tough, although I think I can do it. You have to make a little less than 2,000 a week, so what my goal is, I'm obviously not going to be making that to start, although further on in the challenge, hopefully I'll be making more than that in a week because I'll be generating more money through affiliate marketing because I'll have a larger email list, a larger audience, therefore more clicks, more referrals, more money. Ad wallet, that will obviously build slowly over time. Side hustles, I'm thinking about starting a candy reselling business, so just going to like Dollar General, finding like buy two get one free, that type of stuff to earn some couple extra dollars here and there. That'll add up. Stock market, I'm gonna be showing my gains and losses starting soon, and what I'm investing in and why. Drop shipping, I'm not gonna start that yet. I might not start that because I feel like that's too risky for this challenge. Obviously, um, you can be successful doing drop shipping, although that just does not seem like I would be successful in doing that, especially because it takes a lot of dedication, and I'm already dedicated to YouTube, affiliate marketing, stock market, side hustles, school, and my sports. So I don't think I'm going to be doing this. I'll update you if that changes. But yeah, so far for the week, we've earned $276, and I did that through PartnerStack. At the end of the week, I'll post, and you can verify that it's real. And I'm expected to get paid in 10 days because the payment comes in May 13th. That's when I'm expected to get paid. So that'll go to my PayPal. And yeah, second day of the challenge. Started off strong for the challenge. And yeah, I'm excited to see where this goes. Thank you for watching.